Hi everybody, I hope everybody's well and having a lovely day. Now what I'd like to talk to you about today, if you can stop interrupting, right, I know it's all about you. Yes? Is it all about you? Now, with Budgies, I'd like to talk to you about grabbing budgies. Now, with our Sammy, the last time I had to physically hold her in my hand, and you wouldn't believe how small a budgie is in your hand. It's really tiny. I mean, she doesn't look it here on my shoulder, but compared to your hand, a budgie's tiny. It's really small, and you could easily hurt a budgie or even crush a budgie. Now, the last time I had to hold her Sammy in my hand was when I had to apply some stuff because I suspected she had some ticks or something, because she wouldn't stop scratching. She was altogether scratching, and I was worried there was something in her fur, like mites and ticks and stuff like that. They usually lay eggs, and it was probably really uncomfortable for Sammy. So I had to act, and I had to buy some stuff to cure of the ticks or whatever it was in her fur. And in fact, I found it quite difficult just me doing it. So my mum actually helped me with this. So while I held her Sammy, she put all the lotion all over her tiny body, and anyway, with grabbing your budgie should only be a last resort, because I mean, I don't know about anybody else with budgies, but our Sammy hates it. She absolutely hates being grabbed. So, and it causes a lot of distress. So if your bird is injured, say, and you need to look at her, or you need to get her to a vet, vets like Avery vets, which I think are quite hard to find around where I live. They do exist, but many vets don't handle birds or anything. It means seeing a Avery vet. So, and also grabbing your budgie too much may cause your budgie to lose trust in you. After all, much as Sammy and I have a close relationship, or anybody else with budgies has close relationships, the budgie still sees you as a predator, no matter how long you've had a bird. Because they're watching you all the time. You don't realise it. They're watching you all the time. So I just thought I'd let you know about that. Okay, well, I hope everybody's having a lovely day and carries on having a lovely weekend. And we'll see you again soon. So from Sammy and me, she's gone over to her cage. She's having a drink of water right now. So from Sammy and me,